Our first project is this silver 1985 Chevy Corvette. It definitely needs some work on the engine. There's some paint work and scratches that need to be done. So there's some scratches there. It is the tune port injection. The interior definitely needs to be gone through. Carpets, upholstery, seat, some items in the dash and whatnot, but outside of that, it's a pretty solid vehicle. The engine needs some work. Here we have some parts that have already come in for it. Needs a new antenna, of course. It doesn't want to work. Minor cosmetic items like the emblems, the shields. Definitely some scratches here there. The rims, though, the previous owner sent the rims out to get cleaned up and redone, and they look fantastic. Alright, I wanted to give you a quick update on the Corvette and the carpet install. What I was able to get accomplished was the two floors, the hump, and all of the back carpet. We have the new hatch for both put in. We have new plastic molding for going around the edge, and we have a new piece of weather stripping to finish off the hatch right there. Over the next few days I should be able to get the console side panels completed, carpeted and completed and installed. Now I'm going to clean up all this black plastic and the pieces that are missing. Not missing, but taken off. Clean those and reinstall all of that. And then it'll be on to the door sills on both sides. And I have this door panel complete, all the pieces. So the lock switch that I needed for this side came in, so we're all good there. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be coming together relatively quickly. And it's looking really good. We got new Corvette back emblem and the new emblem on the tank or the back deck, and we have the new emblem in the front installed and looking good. It's coming along really nice. Very pleased with its progress. So that's either a blown head gasket, which I think it is, or it's the seal on the throttle body. We're gonna find out. So here we are. We got the Vette in the garage bay, getting ready for doing the head gasket, top end of the motor. And I got a couple more things here that I gotta get out, but outside of that, everything's done. I just moved it back about 8 more inches to give us a little bit more space here in the front to walk over to the tool chest. And pretty soon we're going to be jacking it up, but to jack it up, I want to make sure I close this. Close the hood. I hear that it's kind of integral to jacking it up to have everything buttoned up before you start jacking it up. Still got that problem with that crap on the paint. So I got some issues here. You can actually feel in some spots the crud on the paint. So hopefully we can get that all done. So let me get this jacked up and move on to the next thing.
Thank you for watching video 4 of the engine reassembly. This is the completed end of this. Right now it's going to go into going into a road test. See how it does over that. And we're going to go from there. So as you can see, the engine is running. It's running very smoothly. There's no apparent leaks. There's no coolant leak coming out of the exhaust. There's no oil dripping out of the valve covers, out of the oh boy, start over.